Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR X8A, and today I will show you how we can insert SIM and SD card into the device. So, before we get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool, which will come provided with the device in the box, and should look something similar to this. Now, if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, actually on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the phone, right over here. So finding the little insert area, as you can see, if I can get the light correctly, oh there we go, it's right below the tray. You want to push the pin in and then push on it, and you can see that the tray will pop out. Just to show that again, there we go. From here, pull out the tray, and unfortunately I did lie, there is no SD card support, so it's just a dual SIM card. Now when it comes into the SIM card, you can place either one of those on either one of the trays, or two. There we go. Once you place your card, carefully insert it back into the device, carefully because there's nothing holding this card in place apart from, well, gravity. There we go. And as you can see, the card starts working right away, so I can put in my PIN, unlock the device, and that's it. The card is now ready to go. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.